to another installment of Marking Time in Alliance, a series of programs in which we visit various historical markers and other historic and interesting sites in and around the city of Alliance, Ohio. I'm your host, Jim Perrone, and today we're at Alliance's Memorial Park to visit the city's entrance markers. As you enter the city of Alliance on any of 6 major arteries, large granite welcome signs sporting a large scarlet carnation greet you. These signs are a product of the Community Betterment Committee of the Alliance Area Chamber of Commerce. The formal dedication for the markers took place on June 21st, 1994, at the Memorial Park location. 4 of the markers are 10 feet 7 inches high and 2 are 9 feet high. All are 6 feet wide, 2 feet thick, and weigh about 19,000 pounds. In addition to the Memorial Park marker, other locations include State Route 183 between Madison and Jefferson Avenues, Beeson Street at Sawburg Avenue, North Union Avenue just north of Alliance Equipment, South Union Avenue in Silver Park, and West State Street at Freshley Avenue. The dedication featured past Chamber of Commerce presidents Rick Shearer, Dick Elliott, Ron Lyons, and Harriet Clem, who represented the years from conception of the idea to completion. Mayor Julius Tonjes joined the presidents in unveiling the marker. Mayor Tonjes and State Representative Judy Carr offered remarks during the ceremony, and John Christian, chairman of the Betterment Committee, served as Master of Ceremonies. Along with committee members, Christian expressed appreciation to John Grossman of the civil engineering company EG&G and project contractors Burden Electric, Ron Russell, D. Hoff Landscaping, All County Builders, Robert Akins, Surveyor, and Benner Excavating. At the end of the ceremony, balloons were released to mark the moment of the new beginnings for Alliance. Thanks again for joining us for this installment of Marking Time in Alliance on our visit to Memorial Park and the City of Alliance's entrance markers. We'll see you next time on Down the Road.